In the heart of a quaint little town nestled between rolling hills and whispering forests, there lived a man named Henry. Henry was not your typical hero. He didn't possess superhuman strength or wield a mighty sword. Instead, his power lay in something far more extraordinary: kindness. Henry had always believed in the magic of kindness, the simple act of reaching out a hand to help someone in need. Whether it was offering a warm smile to a stranger or lending a listening ear to a friend, he made it his mission to spread joy and happiness wherever he went. One sunny morning, as Henry strolled through the bustling streets of the town, he noticed a little girl sitting on a bench, her face drawn with sadness. Her name was Lily, and she looked like she had lost her favorite toy. Approaching her with a gentle smile, Henry asked, "What's wrong, little one?" Lily looked up, her eyes brimming with tears. "I lost my teddy bear," she sniffled. "He's my best friend, and now he's gone." Henry's heart went out to the distraught girl. He crouched down beside her and said, "Don't worry, Lily. We'll find your teddy bear together, okay? Let's retrace your steps and see if we can locate him." With Henry's reassuring presence by her side, Lily felt a glimmer of hope. They searched high and low, peeking under benches and behind bushes, but the teddy bear was nowhere to be found. Just as Lily's despair threatened to overwhelm her, Henry had an idea. "How about we make some lost teddy posters and put them up around town? Maybe someone has seen him and can help us reunite you two." Lily's face lit up with excitement at the suggestion. Together, they hurried to the nearest stationery store, where the kind owner provided them with paper, markers, and glue. They spent the afternoon crafting colorful posters adorned with pictures of Lily's beloved teddy bear and heartfelt pleas for his safe return. As they made their way through town, putting up posters on lampposts and shop windows, something magical began to happen. People stopped to read the posters, their hearts touched by Lily's plight. Some offered words of encouragement, while others promised to keep an eye out for the missing teddy bear. Word spread quickly throughout the town, and soon, everyone was talking about Lily's lost teddy bear. People from all walks of life came together, united by a common goal: to bring a smile back to Lily's face. Days turned into weeks, and still, there was no sign of the missing teddy bear. But instead of losing hope, Henry and Lily were overwhelmed by the outpouring of kindness and generosity from their fellow townspeople. Neighbors baked cookies and cupcakes for Lily, hoping to cheer her up with sweet treats. Children made handmade cards, filled with messages of love and support. Even the local newspaper ran a front-page story about Lily's lost teddy bear, urging readers to keep an eye out for any sightings. Despite their best efforts, the teddy bear remained elusive. But through it all, Henry and Lily forged a bond that would last a lifetime. Together, they experienced the true power of kindness, the magic of coming together as a community to help those in need. Then, one crisp autumn morning, as Henry and Lily were walking through the town square, they spotted something miraculous. There, sitting on a bench beneath a canopy of golden leaves, was Lily's lost teddy bear, looking a little weathered but no less beloved. With tears of joy streaming down her face, Lily rushed forward and scooped up her teddy bear in a tight embrace. "He's back, he's really back," she cried, her heart overflowing with happiness. Henry smiled, his eyes shining with pride. In that moment, he knew that the true magic of kindness wasn't just about finding lost teddy bears or receiving acts of generosity. It was about the connections we forge with one another, the bonds of friendship and love that unite us as a community. As Henry and Lily made their way home, hand in hand, the sun dipped below the horizon, casting a warm glow over the town. And in that golden light, amidst the laughter and chatter of their fellow townspeople, they knew that no matter what challenges lay ahead, they would always have each other, and that was the greatest gift of all. And so, in a town where kindness reigned supreme, Henry and Lily's story became a shining example of the power of love, the magic of compassion, and the endless possibilities that arise when we come together as one big, happy family.